Prime Minister Modi is set to visit Varanasi today, where he is scheduled to inaugurate and lay the foundation of 22 development projects worth 870 crore rupees. It will be Prime Minister's second visit to his Lok Sabha constituency in 10 days. Before this, he was in Varanasi on December 13th when he inaugurated the Kashi Vishwanath corridor. Among the projects, Prime Minister will lay the foundation stone of a dairy project worth 475 crore rupees and will also digitally transfer about 35 crore rupees bonus to the bank accounts of more than 1.7 lakh milk producers. PM Modi will also unveil the biogas-based electricity generation plant, a key step towards making Milk Producers Cooperative Union Plant energy self-sufficient. The Prime Minister will also launch a portal and logo to simplify the certification process for the dairy sector to reassure the public about the quality of dairy products. With several crucial projects set to be launched today, the initiatives will provide immense momentum to the agrarian and allied economies in Varanasi. Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Madhurima is joining us live with more details because, Madhurima, this is yet another visit of the Prime Minister to Varanasi, and this time also he will be launching multiple development initiatives and schemes worth over 2,000 crore. And the Prime Minister has visiting his Lok Sabha constituency multiple times in the recent days just ahead of the assembly elections.
Yes, well, absolutely, Amita. It's a very crucial visit of the Prime Minister, and you said that, yes, it will have a ripple effect on the inching elections of Uttar Pradesh that is scheduled somewhere around February and March. But today's events are also very important, keeping in mind the developmental projects that will be launched by the Prime Minister in Varanasi. And like you just pointed out, that there will be multiple projects launched over 2,000 crore rupees, including the development of the dairy sector. At the same time, there will be projects launching the development of the tourism sector, the education sector, the health sector. So Prime Minister's today's visit is all about a holistic development of his constituency, Varanasi. There are multiple projects that will be launched by the Prime Minister after he lands there around 1 in the afternoon. We've seen how the Prime Minister has been visiting this particular place, his constituency, for past some time as well. Though he has been regular in his term as it comes to visiting Varanasi, but here in the past we've seen the multiple development projects being launched in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and in that similar directions. Today, all these development projects, considering all quarters of development in Varanasi, will be launched by the Prime Minister. There will be multiple projects, like I said, education, health, tourism, and even the dairy sector, where direct transfer of money will also happen so as to augment the entire process.
So around 22 projects is something that the Prime Minister will be announcing today and will be a part of his yet another visit to his constituency of Varanasi, where he will be landing post noon. And this time around, multiple development projects and the initiatives and the schemes that are worth over 2,000 crore will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister himself, who will be visiting his Lok Sabha constituency. For the moment, Madhurima, thank you.